Tip for success number 7, drink only no-calorie liquids. The lap band is an amazing tool that will help you achieve your goals. But there are some things out there that can sort of trick the band and really mess up your weight loss. Sneaky, sugary liquids. Because they just pass right through the lap band, their amount doesn't get restricted. And there are liquids out there just packed with bad news. We all know a milkshake or a full-calorie soda are going to set us way back. Even fruit juice is pretty much just pure sugar, and many soups are loaded with calories that slide right through your band. So just be sure you know what you're putting in your body before you grab a drink. Water is the best thing for you. Your body needs it, and your lap band will reward you for it.